What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Just Chillin'. I'm Alex.
What? Oh, Sebastian.
And today we're just chilling for his birthday. How old are you now?
We're gonna be 13. My birthday
Gonna be
is
13.
on Monday.
Officially, his birthday is on Monday. But we just, birthday weekend. Let me take out the shades. And we're just chilling at the park. Just waiting a little bit because right now it's kind of crowded. So we're gonna eat real quick. I got that new spicy crispy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. Let's see if it's good. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Nice size chicken, but it ain't no Popeyes.
Oh, Popeyes.
Look at the bun.
Sandwiches are big.
Nice and soft, nice and shiny.
So go listening.
We got the 2 pickles in there. Alright, let's give it a try. The new spicy crispy chicken. The new spicy crispy chicken from McDonald's. Now let's do this. It's not crispy at all. It's supposed to be spicy crispy.
It don't look crispy.
Oh. It's not even crispy. The only thing crispy is the pickle.
Only thing crispy is just chicken nuggets. Delicious.
The sauce is pretty good though. It's spicy.
Is that like Chipotle sauce or something? It looks like it.
It's pretty good, but I would still rather get Popeyes.
Popeyes is like a lot more chicken. Popeyes is a lot more chicken. I was like, what is that thing?
What?
There's a little square on my face because it looks like there's something on my neck right here. I was like, what is that?
But it's pretty good. It is spicier than the Popeyes. The more you eat it, it starts getting more hot.
Next thing you know, you're gonna be chugging water.
I don't know, I'm gonna get some water. It's kind of spicy. It's good though. It's a good spice.
I get some more crispy chicken nuggets right here.
What they should do is, however they make the crispy nuggets, they should do the same thing on their.
Because it has like breading stuff.
Because the nuggets are crispy.
That golden nugget, mate.
Let's see. Let me see this. Let me see if it's crispy. Bite it. You guys heard that? It's a crisp.
Kind of like the bottom part is more crispy. More.
They should make their chicken patties and make for the crispy and use that.
It's an ASMR.
Because it'd be do it on here. Do it on here. Do it on here. Just show them the crisp. Let them hear the crisp. What's it called again? What?
I said ASMR.
ASMR? What is that? Like the sounds?
It's like satisfying videos or something, like noises.
What? Let's see, do it right there. Get closer right here. The sound. Here we go. Here we go. The sound for the McNugget.
The crunch.
This don't even do that. What is it? No.
I can hear that soft meat.
No crisp. Come on, McDonald's. see on the crispy?
Mm.
But it was good. Spicy cooking.
So what was this little chunk of bread?
Gotta stay hydrated. I always drink water all the time. I don't like to drink.
Imagine getting sponsored by water.
I don't like to drink soda or when I eat my food or anything like that.
I have like soda in my house. I just drink water all the time.
Because I feel like when you drink juice or soda when you're eating your food, it fills you up. So when I drink water, like the water, I just drink it and I don't get full that quick. I still have room to eat. And I like to eat my food.
I drink water so much. Is it just me, or like when you drink like soda or like juice or something, you start to feel like your mouth is like dry. It's like you're not hydrated or anything. It's just like it's not. It's like good, but it's not refreshing like water.
I know.
It's like you're not satisfied. You keep on drinking it, and it's like no, it's not doing anything.
You gonna show them the pistol?
Oh.
Ooh, excuse me. Hold on, yeah. So I got them. I got them this.
Boy, Ascend. Look at that.
I got them that from a website called. What's it called?
Red Wolf Airsoft.
RedWolfAirsoft.com. And
made in Taiwan, baby.
He saw this on where we saw it?
Airsoft Mike.
Airsoft Mike, yeah.
Ooh, now look at that.
He has a lot of cool stuff. Airsoft Mike, check him out. Look at that. Deadpool Glock airsoft pistol.
Glock 17 Gen 3, I think.
Blowback.
Ooh, Lord. Got a little.
And
It didn't focusing.
It didn't take that long to get it.
Little unicorn, that's my
maybe like 2-3 weeks. Yeah, I got it sooner
on the trigger for weeks
than I thought. I thought it was gonna take like a month, but no, it came sooner than that though. So I was glad it came before his birthday, so you can get it.
Got this,
but it's pretty cool. And today we're here at
got your real seal markings right here.
That looks cool. And this is his first
actual
green gas airsoft pistol.
I know. And then you put your gas in through here.
Yeah, so we ain't
complete that picture.
We ain't sponsored nothing like that from Red Wolf Airsoft. We bought it with I got it with my own money or whatever.
Ooh, look at that.
But they got a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah, and also got a brighter C tracer unit. It's not really focusing, but this is brighter C. It already says brighter C in the front, but
also with that brighter C attachment accessory, you put it on the pistol, and when you shoot the
you get some tracer BBs, and then
when you shoot the BBs, what does it do?
Makes them like glow, even in the day, like you can see it. It's like a Star Wars gun. It's like a laser.
Yeah, it makes them, when you shoot it, it makes the BBs glow in the dark. It's pretty cool. Maybe we'll be back. But for right now,
ooh, look at that.
Look at that thing. For right now, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs
up for the pew.
Give it a thumbs up.
Pew.
And yeah, we'll be back.
A little unicorn on the grip, mate. You like that?
A unicorn?
Oh no, we baby.